All right, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm your examiner. My name is Robert. Have you visited a farm? Yes. Have you ever visited a farm? Farm means farmhouse. Yeah.
Yes, my grandfather was a farmer, and he and my grandmother used to live in a farmhouse located in Sargodha, Punjab. My parents would take me there during our summer vacation. They had a lot of mango and orange trees.
There were many mangoes and oranges together? Mangoes and oranges together? One tree?
In different fields.
Okay, different fields. Okay,
in different fields, and wheat and sugarcane fields are also there.
Were also there. Okay, that's good. Let's go on. What kind of farm do you like?
I like farms where animals were treated humanely and giving good diets instead of giving antibiotics.
Okay, so you can just go on a little more. These type of cattle farms are my favorite. I usually go there and all that, right? Do you think farming is important?
Yes, farming is very important. It boosts the economy of the country. It is also important for providing fresh fruit, vegetables, and dairy products. It's also the essential element of food industry and creating so many jobs.
So this creates so many jobs.
Yes.
Therefore, farming is quite crucial for any country's economy. Very good. You're answering well now. Let's go on. Did you do farm work when you were young?
Yes. I used to help.
I used to help my
grandfather when I would go on our summer vacations. I still remember that I helped him while making fresh sugarcane juice and taking care of chicks and dogs in barn.
All right. Majjan nu nwa ke liande si?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Good. All right. Overall, your answers are really good and better than before. Just keep it up. Exactly. Good job.